Today I want to take you on a journey. My journey, from tinkering with my old Cadillac Seville to creating informative content about my cars. It all began with a dream, a longing for my very own US classic car. In late 2014, that dream became a reality. However, acquiring the car sparked something more profound within me. A desire to understand its inner workings and to become proficient in fixing it up myself. Thus, a journey of passion for classic cars was born. In those early days, I found myself immersed in the captivating world of how-to videos, seeking guidance to navigate the intricacies of car restoration. Armed with newfound knowledge from his videos, I spent countless hours in my garage, covered in dirt and grease, trying to figure out what made my Seville tick. With every turned bolt and tightened nut, I inched closer to demystifying the complexities of automotive mechanics. It wasn't just about fixing it. It was about embracing the challenge, the hands-on education that YouTube tutorials could only partially provide. Each moment spent beneath the hood was a step towards not just understanding my car, but truly connecting with the essence of automotive craftsmanship. The more I worked on my car, the more I realized I wanted to share my experiences with others. Since I'm a self-employed video producer, spending every day filming or editing, I got the tools for snackable content at hand. Though filming started as my passion and later evolved into my profession, I hesitated to document every moment of my work on my Seville. This realization sparked the idea of launching a YouTube channel dedicated to sharing my accumulated knowledge and experiences. My aim is to fill the void of instructional resources for fellow enthusiasts, providing insights gained from my journey and future discoveries alike. Initially uncertain if anyone would tune in, I took the leap and began sharing my car projects with the world. Today, looking back, it's clear that progress outweighs perfection. While I initially aimed for a flawless start, I've come to realize that improvement comes with action, not just contemplation. A prime example is my attempt to do voiceovers for my videos, a skill I hadn't previously mastered, especially given my non-native English. However, I'm committed to learning and evolving with each upload. So here we are, embracing imperfection and embracing the journey of becoming a better YouTube content creator, one video at a time. As I'm gaining confidence with all the steps involved to create snackable YouTube content, I discovered my passion for content creation anew. There's an indescribable joy in imparting my knowledge and experiences with like-minded car aficionados. Striving for excellence, I'm honing my filming skills to capture every step of my tinkering escapades while working on my cars. I think I've found my niche in the vast world of automotive content, at least for now. But finding my style and voice wasn't easy. It took countless hours of trial and error, experimenting with different formats and tones. And after a while, something amazing happened. You started watching and interacting. I hope you liked what you saw. And that drives me to create more and get better at it. I've transitioned from becoming just a regular guy tinkering with cars to becoming that Austrian car guy, who passionately shares his love for vintage automobiles with the world. So here's to chasing dreams, finding your voice, and never giving up what you love. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, and as always, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.